Hey everyone, and welcome back to kawaiibritt, where I am opening up an advent calendar made for me by Lozzie Creates. Everything about her is down below in the description. Make sure you go follow her. She does crafts, she does ASMR, she does journaling and opening, so go follow her there. But she made everything from here she picked on her own. She made little clues and everything, and every day I have something to open, so today's day 7, and this one says, this was just so cool and you can use it for several different things. Maybe think outside the box. So I'm unsure as to what it is. It's got a hard case, so let's see. I think it is a pencil case. This is cute. It is a pencil case and it's got pencils, so I could use it for maybe holding my tools, holding pencils. Let's get in here. It's got Eevee all over it. It's got Eevee all over it. So there's Eevee and Pikachu. I love Eevees, if you guys don't know that. This is a nice pencil case. And then this one has... Oh, it's a... I don't have any of these yet. The Zebra Sarasa. And it's yellow. I'm excited. And then it also came with bookmarks. I see Eevee and I see Totoro. Let's open it up so we can see them. Which I do need bookmarks because I've been reading the Mina Limas and I've just been using a piece of garbage paper in it. That's so cute! I love it. Thank you, Lozzie. I appreciate everything. And if you guys want to see more, make sure you tune in tomorrow to see what day 8 brings. Hope to see you there, guys. Bye.